Welcome back, my financial freedom fighters. It's your favorite family member, Money Man Jr. Today, what we're going to talk about is the Acorns account, my daily Acorns account. I call it my daily Acorns account because I invest in it every single day. It doesn't matter what the stock market is doing, how good or how bad. Everybody could be selling things off. The stock market could be on fire. I'm still going to invest in it. So my goal is to invest at least $10 a day. I have to do at least 10, never beneath 10. I can do more than 10, but never less than 10. So let's get into it. So what we had from last week, my account ended off the week at 7,525. Now, in between that week and the start in between last week and starting of this week, we sitting at this right here. So I invested $245. Passively, I've gained $107 for a total gain of $352 for a total percent increase of 4.67%. So this is where the account is sitting at this Monday right here. This is where the account was at the beginning of last Monday. So this is the active investment, meaning what I personally put into the account. So that's right there, that's $35 a day, which equaled up to this right here. And this is the passive investment of the interest that my investments generated that I kept into the account, because I keep all my dividends and interest into the account on the DRIP fundamentals, the dividend reinvestment plan. I talked about the DRIP before. If you all want to know what the DRIP is, you could go back and check out my video talking about the DRIP. But I don't take any profit out of my investment account. I leave everything in there. So that is this right here, the passive. I didn't get paid any dividends or anything. So this is pure just profit. So my active investment plus my passive income investment equaled up to $352, and that percent increase was 4.67%, which brought my Acorns account up to today, this Monday, at $7,877. Now, if you all remember, my next goal for this account is $10,000. In January, I shot a goal out for $10,000 by October. And it's looking like we probably be beating that goal. We may be getting that 10,000 by next month or the month after. But it is looking like we'll be beating that before October. So this is what my account is sitting at right now on this Monday. We up 4.67% at $107 gain for the week. And thank you all for coming in, checking out the account. See you next Monday.